Hey guys, I just got this and it doesn't really have good instructions. And this gauge, I went ahead and put this on here. That way it's kind of loose. But a couple of points is that this end, the straight end, goes into these valves. The bent end will be the connector that you use to measure. This is the red hot side, and this is the blue cold side, which matches the two here, red and blue. Now you have some other adapters, fillers, etc. Like this one right here, it has the point to pressurize the cans for your Freon refrigerant. And this looks like another adapter. Again, this is going to the yellow. One of my questions was like, okay, is there a concern with that leaking out? No, because I guess there's a pressure thing here. But if you're concerned, you could actually use these back spots. Again, there's no instructions on this, to kind of tighten it and also to keep it clean. So you just screw those on. That's the wrong one, I think. There we go. And that's it, to keep it nice and neat as well. And then this part, you're gonna go, I guess it's sealed here. There's arrows. It actually says open close. That's helpful. So close is clockwise, counterclockwise is open. So that way you can use your gauges for that. And it would be, blue here, yellow here, and red here. So the yellow will go here, and this is where you would fill things out. This actually comes with some Teflon tape. So you can pop that out. It's this way. Yep. And the way you thread it, you're going to thread it on, you can't obviously thread on the inside here, but you would thread, as an example, here. I'm trying to do it one-handed, which is harder. When you thread it, you're going to thread it in the same direction as the thread. So to screw this on, it'd be this way, right, upward, righty-tighty, basically. So you're going to put the tape so that way it threads righty-tighty too. If you go lefty, it'll just pull back up. So that's my summary of how to set this up. To use it, that's a different video. I'm going to try to do one to my car later. But yeah, I had to look this up. It wasn't that simple to figure out. Thanks for watching.